name's Emma. Are you ready to learn to read some new words? Great, then let's start our Letters and Sounds lesson. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This grapheme makes the sounds U and U. Now, can you remember the different sounds for these graphemes? Yes, this can say E in words like see and E in words like head. And how about this one? Yes, it can say ch in words like much, k in words like echo, and sh in words like parachute. Now, it's your turn. Are you ready? Don't forget to say all the sounds for each grapheme. Ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. U or E or E. Ch, k or sh. A. Ch. W. Ch. Now, going to mix the cards up. Are you ready to read the graphemes on the cards aloud? Off you go! Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ch. U or E or E. Ch, k or sh. A. Ch. W. Fabulous start, children. Great work with your sounds. Now let's read some words. In this first one, I want you to spot the grapheme which makes the sound ch. Are you ready? Can you spot the grapheme? Yes, this says ch. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. Now let's read together. F-e-ch, fetch. When I throw a ball for my dog, she loves to fetch it. Now, can you spot the grapheme that says ch in this word? Yes, this says ch. Read each sound, then blend. Let's read it together. P-I-c-ch, picture. Now, do you like this picture? It's a picture with some flowers in. It's lovely, isn't it? Fabulous. Now, can you spot the grapheme that says ch in this word? Yes, this says ch. Read each sound, then blend. Let's read it together. M-a-ch, match. If your socks match, it means they look the same. Do your socks match? Have a quick check. Oh, that's good. Excellent. Now, can you spot the grapheme that says ch in this word? Yes, this says ch. Are you ready to read? Off you go. Let's read together. Ch, air, chair. I like to sit up straight on my chair before I write. Now, can you spot the grapheme that says ch in this word? Yes, this says ch. Are you ready to read? Off you go. Let's read together. Itch, itch. Can you scratch as if you've got an itch? Well done. Now, How about this one? Which grapheme says ch? Yes, this says ch. Ready to read? Off you go. Let's read together. R-I-ch. Rich. Did you get it right? Brilliant. Great reading, everyone. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards? But this time, no sounding out. You ready? Let's give it a go. Over to you. Brilliant. Let's check. Read them with me. Rich. Fetch. Picture. Match. Chair. Itch. Great reading, everyone. Now let's practice reading some longer words. Do you remember, with longer words it can help to chunk them up into syllables. So we'll chunk all of these words up. Okay, here's our first one. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. S-a-k, suck, s-e-s, cess, f-u-l, full. Successful. That's very successful reading, children. Well done. Read each grapheme, then blend to read the word aloud. Let's read the word together. P-u-a, play, f-u-l, full. Playful. My kitten is very playful. She loves to play with her toy mouse. Okay, sound out and blend. Add, then, ch. Adventure. You don't have to travel far to have an adventure. If you've got a good imagination, you can have adventures at home. Ready to read this last one? Off you go. Let's read the word together. D-r-e-dree, m-i-ng-ming, dreaming. You can even have adventures when you're fast asleep and dreaming. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards but without sounding out? Let's give it a whirl. Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Playful. Dreaming. Successful. Adventure. Incredible work, children. Now let's read some tricky words we've read before. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bits? Yes, the first tricky bit is here. This says and the second tricky bit is that this says ooh. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Ooh, who. Well done. Now let's practice reading another tricky word. You know how to read this one, but can you remember the two tricky bits? Yes, the tricky bits are that this says r and this says Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Different. Now let's read both of those words quickly and I want you to read them aloud. Off you go. Now, let's read them together. Who? Different. Did you get them right? Great effort, children. Now let's read a sentence with graphemes we already know. Can you see any words with digraphs? 2 letters, 1 sound. Or trigraphs? 3 letters, 1 sound. Yes, these words have digraphs. E, ng, ow, ng. Now this word has a trigraph. I. And can you see a word with a grapheme that says ch? Yes, here. This says ch. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words if you're not sure of them. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. Read with me as I point to the words. I was dreaming about having an adventure last night. Let's read the sentence one more time. I was dreaming about having an adventure last night. What kind of adventure might you dream about? I sometimes dream about diving under the sea. Fabulous reading today, children. And now let's see if we can be fabulous with our spelling. Because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with graphemes we know. Let's spell itch. Segment the sounds with me. Itch, itch. Let's count how many sounds there are. Itch. That was 2 sounds. Watch me write itch. I need 2 sounds. I. Ch is a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 3 letters. Itch, itch, itch. Now, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the trigraph. Right. Let's check our spelling, shall we? Okay, you show me your spelling. Did you get it right? Itch, itch. Brilliant. Let's try another one. Let's spell fetch. Segment the sounds with me. Fetch. F, etch. Let's count how many sounds there are. F, etch. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write fetch and I'm going to remember those 3 sounds. F. E. Ch is a trigraph, so I need to write 3 letters for that. Fetch. F, etch, fetch. Now, let's hide the word. A last little look. Ready? Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Okay. Are you ready? Right, let's check our spelling now. Show me your spelling. Did you get it right? Etch, fetch. Brilliant job again. Now let's spell a tricky word. We've spelt the word who before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. Who, ooh. Let's count how many sounds there are. Ooh. That's 2 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bits? Yes, the first tricky bit is that the letters W and H say h, and the second tricky bit is the letter O says oo. Watch me write who. The h sound, remember, is written with the letters W and H. And the oo sound is written with the letter O. Who. Ooh, who. Now, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What are the tricky bits? The h sound is written with the letters W-H, and the oo sound is written with the letter O. Write it down. Okay. Let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Did you get it right? Ooh, who? Well done, children. You worked so hard practicing reading and spelling today. You should be feeling very proud of yourselves. See you soon for another lesson with Letters and Sounds.